My daughter and son-in-law, in connivance with the local councillor, my lord, oust me from my own house.
Now
And
what has happened?
driven me out from my own house. They did not take any steps.
They will not appear.
They will not.
Time.
So
After-
the police will wait after the
No,
person
my lord,
dies
no, my lord.
and then
That is
come.
not that. That's
No.
not.
Ashunto, this will be given. If they come, fine. If they don't come,
Yes, yes,
expiry
lordship
order will
pass
be
order.
passed.
Absolutely.
But this is a senior citizen act matter. My lord, kindly come to. I am not taking much more time. My lord, kindly take up the page 32. My daughter and son-in-law, in connivance with the local councillor, my lord, oust me from my own house. Admittedly, the house is inherited by me and my daughter. And my lord,
1 minute. 4 is your daughter. 5 is the son-in-law.
son-in-law. And commissioner is the, my lord, as per the act, my lord, commissioner is the presiding officer of the maintenance table as per the senior citizen act.
Yes. Now
And
what has happened?
My lord, what happened, my lord? Initially, when they are disturbing, when they are trying to oust, I make repeated complaint that you reflect from page 30, 29, 28. My lord, they did nothing. I am making, in these applications, I made my apprehension that any day they will driven me out from my own house. They did not take any steps. Thereafter, my lord, the things has been happened. Then, my lord, I approach before the, my lord, the commissioner, there is the presiding officer of the maintenance tribunal. Till date, no steps has been taken, no interim protection has been given, not me restored, no proceedings has been initiated in terms of the act. This is my grievance. I come before your lordship. I am now, my lord, I am now staying at my mother's house. My own house. I am driving out. All my articles are there, my lord. There is a provision. Let me restore to my, and then the proceedings be known. And there is a, my lord, invocation of, my lord, the local councillor, specifically made.
Anybody representing 4 and 5? No.
Private response I have served. And my lord, application notice
4
also.
and 5 is, my lord, require because at their instance, my
Yes,
lord,
yes,
this
yes,
has
yes.
been happened.
Right.
If you lordship direct me, I will again serve them. My lord, kindly fix the date, my lord, I again serve them. But they will not appear.
They will not appear.
They will not appear because they have the protection, local protection.
Local protection, how? What?
All right,
Police has said me something, my lord. He has another house.
Police
The
cannot set a neutral.
petition
Oh, my lord, kindly see.
apprehends that the respondent numbers 4 and 5, with the help of the local political leader, will oust her from her own house. Stop. An application has been filed before the district magistrate.
No, first, my lord, the officer in charge, I put my apprehension. Thereafter, my lord, I have been ousted. Then, my lord, the commissioner of the police is the, my lord, the presiding officer.
Right now you are out
Yes,
by force.
by force.
All right. Acha.
Inquiry to set up one, chulun.
My lord, so far the inquiry is concerned, my lord. A old report is with me, my lord. It has been mentioned, my lord, in para 12. So and so, in reply, it is the report that the petitioner did not inform the matter to the police on that day. She went only a letter dated 5/9/23 alleging the incident. After receiving the said letter, this PS made an inquiry where the OPs totally denied the allegation. The petitioner and local people were contacted, and it could be learned that the petitioner always did not reside here. She sometimes reside at the said premises and sometimes reside to her paternal house at Maniktola after demise of her husband. It could also be learned that the private respondent also resided at the said premises since long. However, the petitioner was asked to help the Jorabagan PS whenever is required for peaceful living at the said premises. This is the in 23.
Page number 29. I can see a letter written to the OC Jorabagan Police Station with seal. This is in August. But your instruction says that in September it has been informed. What about?
12, this instruction is of 12th October, my lord.
No, the first portion you read out,
My lord.
that only intimation has been given sometimes in September.
Lordship.
No, but then this letter is there in August. There is no mention about that letter.
Yes, my lord. In paragraph 12, alleged that on 31/8/2023, 31/8/2023, she was forcibly driven out from the said property by the private respondents.
24th August, page 29. How has
Yes,
it
my lord.
been dealt?
Page 30.
No, no, page 29, Lordship has,
30.
yes, 24th August, it has been mentioned, but my lord, so far the incident has been, incident is concerned, my lord.
So
In para
prior
7
to
and-
the incident, there was a communication with the police.
but my lord, police has said that, my lord, that on 31st she has informed, but it has been with the, but there, nothing has been happened on that time.
So
after-
the police will wait after the
No,
person
my lord,
dies
no, my lord,
and then
that,
will
that's
come.
not that, that's
No.
not.
আসুন তো কি বললাম has ousted her.
কাউন্সিলর নাম
Apprehends হবে না, ওখানে হবে the petitioner submits,
এই কাউন্সিলর নাম কি রে?
not submit,
কত
alleges.
নম্বর ওয়ার্ডে কাউন্সিলর?
কি নাম?
Are the private respondents with the help has ousted her from her own house before the officer in an application. A representation was filed before the officer in charge, Jorabagan Police Station, on 24th August 2023, intimating him about the illegal attempt to oust her from her house with a view to grab the property. Stop. After being ousted, the petitioner made a complaint before the Commissioner of Police, being the presiding officer of the Maintenance Tribunal under the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act, 2007, in September 2023. Stop. The same is yet to be considered. Paragraph. None represents the private respondents. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to forward a notice to the officer in charge, Jorabagan Police Station, for onward transmission to the respondent numbers 4 and 5, intimating that the matter will appear in the list on 20th November 2024. Stop.
এই পার্থ থেকে একটা
In the event the private respondents are not represented, comma, ex parte order will be passed. Stop. Pendency of the writ petition will not stand in the way of the respondent number 2 to take steps in response to the
5/9/2023.
representation filed by the petitioner
5/9/2023.
dated 5th of September 2023.
লর্ডশিপ
I'm grateful. I only write a notice to the OC to ensure the presence of the my lord private
Not
respondent.
ensure presence, notice will be given. If they come, fine. If they don't come,
yes,
ex
yes,
parte
লর্ডশিপ
order will be passed.
absolutely
There is a difficulty.
yes
So you are out for more than a year.
না মেনশন করতে হবে
More than a year.
তোমার আমার কোন সিরিয়াস কিচ্ছু নেই